So, my Amazon account got suspended. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. As you just heard, this is the reality of my Amazon account right now. So, what the heck happened? Recently, let's just start from scratch, okay? If you're new here, welcome. Sell on Amazon, apparently. Not anymore. At least not for a couple days. So here's a little screenshot I took. This was 5 minutes ago. As we can see, my customer feedback is clearly 5 stars. However, my account status is suspended. Why is my account status suspended? The email that Amazon sent me says you have manipulated sales rank. Manipulated sales rank. The only way I could have done that would have been through PageOneify. And I checked on PageOneify's website yesterday, and what do you know? They're no longer doing giveaways because Amazon doesn't like that. Apparently they don't like that so much that they're willing to suspend accounts, and I've heard this is happening to other people. I messaged my coach for PageOneify saying I would like a refund. No response. Perfect. PageOneify is trash. Don't use them. So, I rank 2 products with PageOneify. Instantly, as soon as they come in, I go from selling 1 or 2 today to selling 20 a day very quickly, overnight with PageOneify. Now let's go to a different screenshot here. So clearly I'm suspended. We could see that. Everyone agrees I am suspended. Let's go to this one. Okay. So this is Amazon's terms of service. And I scale down to misuse of sales rank. And what do you know? Everyone, I get into PageOneify because everyone on YouTube is saying, oh, PageOneify is the shit. Use PageOneify. It's not against terms of service. But why don't we read? Misuse of sales rank. The bestseller rank feature allows buyers to evaluate the popularity of a product. Any attempt to manipulate sales rank is prohibited. You cannot solicit or knowingly accept fake or fraudulent orders, including placing orders for your own products. You cannot provide compensation to buyers for purchasing your products or provide claim codes to buyers for the purpose of inflating sales rank. Now, what's the purpose of PageOneify? To lower your sales rank so that you're at the top of page 1. How does PageOneify, or how did they do it up until now for the past year? Through using claim codes and giving them to buyers for the purpose of inflating sales rank. So you could see where we ran into an issue, right? This is exactly what PageOneify was having you do. Provide claim codes to buyers. It's exactly what they have you do for the purpose of inflating sales rank. So, long story short, through anything I've ever done in my life, entrepreneurial, just in the last couple of years, any successful person knows there's hiccups along the ride. Who cares? Don't tolerate them, fix them right away. Learn from it, move on. So right off the bat, I had a great attitude about this, and I was like, well, that definitely sucks, but it's okay. Like, I could get my account back. It's just suspended. I'm not terminated from Amazon. So I recently, I'm not going to show you the invoice. It's up here in this folder. I don't know. It might have my banking information on it. Let me close this so it's not weird looking. So we'll go back to this one, I guess. This is a good background. So I just had to pay an Amazon attorney $850 to get my account back. So obviously that's not 100% necessary. You could technically do it yourself, but I've read so many horror stories of people that were suspended and it taking months and months to get their account back. The opportunity cost of this is hundreds of dollars a day for me. So I have thousands of dollars of inventory in Amazon. I have products that, the longer I'm suspended, they're not getting sales, their rank is dropping. So I just had to pay almost $1,000 to an Amazon attorney show them exactly what happened so that they can write up the exact claim. It's a flat rate, and they're going to get me unsuspended. That's it, guys. Don't use PageOneify, okay? And now here's the funny thing. So now this must be happening to a ton of people, because not only have I seen it in my comments and I was just like, oh, well, it hasn't happened to me. It's probably something you did wrong. No, it happened to me. Clearly, I can't sell on Amazon for a little while. My Amazon attorney is already getting hard to work. In the next 48 hours, I should have my account back, so I'm not too worried about it. This is why I test things first for you guys, because I don't want you to have to eat $1,000 loss plus opportunity cost just to try a service like PageOneify. And they're not even getting back to me to refund me my money for PageOneify. Kind of crazy, isn't it? Very crazy. Plus all the units I gave away. It's just a big mess. But now we know, and I'm going to implement this. This is, a lot of people were asking me, why isn't PageOneify in your course? My answer was always, well, I'm still testing it. I'm not going to put something in there that I'm not 100% sure about. And clearly, I did the right thing, because that would have been a mess if I had a bunch of you guys using this. And it's so ironic, because I just posted a video 2 days ago saying how good PageOneify worked. Because yeah, it definitely worked. My products were way up there on page one. But not legally, apparently, as far as Amazon legal documents go. So why don't we talk about what is PageOneify doing about this? So I'm suspended. I paid, a professional legal attorney to get me unsuspended. It's out of my hands now. It's totally fine. I'll be able to get my account back. It's not necessarily a great day to wake up to seeing your account suspended and having to pay $1,000 to get it back, but that's what happened. Now, why don't we just go see what they're saying about this? Oh, that's my affiliate thing. See, I was even promoting it. Here's the correct one. PageOneify. May 2019 Amazon change. No more discounted giveaways. Now this is a pretty interesting video. It's only 2 minutes long. You could go watch it if you want. That's their CEO. I've already watched it. Interesting thing is they say, this guy, don't even know his name, says, I don't use giveaways on my own products. I've been selling for years. I never do it. And yet, that's what they were doing for everyone else. Now he's saying, just use PPC to rank. That's what I've been saying the whole time. And now, why should we pay you to do PPC? I could teach people how to do PPC for a lot less than what I paid. I paid $500. Let's see what the pricing is now for PPC. Okay, so this is still wrong, right? Because the PPC is right there. I don't know, maybe they changed it. Maybe you could do PPC for $297 now. Still an extreme waste of time, in my opinion. Waste of money. All they're gonna do, if you get a $40 piece of software like the Jungle Scout web app, you could go in here, you could go to keywords, Keyword Scout. Say you're selling I don't know, I can't think right now. A sponge. Okay. Say you're selling a sponge. This is all that they're gonna do. Okay, so dish sponge, they're gonna pull up a broad keyword match, and now this is a very non-in-depth version of what they're gonna do. So I'm gonna showing it to you very quickly, but they're just gonna get you exact match search volume. They're gonna get you some low bid keywords, stuff to bid really low on, just single keywords, and then they're gonna make a list of about 50 to 60 keywords that are relevant to your product. They're going to bid exact phrase and broad onto, and then you're going to reduce the bid by like 5% because it's better to win for the longer tail keywords than it is to waste your budget on the really broad ones initially. That's it. That's their entire process. I don't think it's worth paying them anymore. Before, when they were doing the giveaways and that was working really well, awesome. I think that was worth it if it wasn't against TOS, but it is. So now I would say, stop trying to use software to sell your products and just get a really good product and it'll sell itself. I swear to God that works. It's what I did with all my best-selling products. Has always just been find a great differentiation, list it. Amazon will rank it for you if it's worth selling through PPC, through people clicking it, buying it because it's better than the competition. That's pretty much it, guys. So I'll keep you posted. Obviously, I'll have my account back very quickly. Don't use PageOneify. I'm probably going to take down all my PageOneify videos, to be honest. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay? If you enjoyed this video and the brutal honesty in it, feel free to like or dislike. Dislike might be good in this case. Yeah, I'm gonna go do some more product research as usual. Try and find a way that it's just like a super low competition market combined with people not differentiating well, and then jump in there and let my own PPC knowledge and Amazon launch it for me, not using external launch services. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end. If you did, be sure to comment down below if something like this has happened to you, or just your thoughts in general. Be happy to hear from you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video.